Hello everybody and welcome to my unboxing video of the Tapo Smart Hub H200. So the Tapo Smart Hub H200. You can insert a microSD inside of it, and then you can record your cameras to it. You can connect your smart home devices to it. You can use it as an alarm. Yeah, you can do a lot of things. It is with Ethernet and it is with Wi-Fi, so it supports both. So now we are going to unbox this nice thing. I never did this, so this is my first time. Yes, it opens like that. Voila, this is in the box, an Ethernet cable, some power adapter, some manual, and then the system itself. And I see here some pin. It's a pin. I'm not sure for what it is. So this is in the box. Tapo. That's for the pins for resetting the system. And then you have the Ethernet cable, microSD, and that's for the adapter. So this is the Tapo Hub Smart Hub H200 with all things in it. Okay, I hope you like my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because we are giving away free prizes to people that subscribe on our channel. So you only have to subscribe and you will be notified when you win something. Bye!